Well, here I am in my studio. I haven't been here for 5 months, and I'm gonna do a walk around, and it definitely needs a lot of work, but I'm pretty excited to be here again. I just started a fire. It'll take a little while for it to warm up, so I'll do a little walk around here and see what I have in store here. Well, it's kind of fun to see a lot of my art, which is everywhere. I haven't seen it for a long time. Now I'm encouraged to want to start oil painting again. Watercolors have been interesting, but not like oil painting for me. My nice stack of wood, even though it is spring, I'll probably still be using it. Now that's Mike's stuff, his tools, but you can see my paintings are encroaching everywhere. All my little projects. Oh, and this I gotta get over to Red Zeppelin. So, wow. I gotta open up some workspace area. But I've got all kinds of equipment here. I left a lot of my acrylics down in Arizona. But I think I'll dive into the oils for sure. Now that the weather will be opening up, I got some paintings that need a little work. And here's all my supplies. Seen this one. I think I'm able to call it good. That's the Sphinx Mountain over in Ennis. My friend Gretchen is interested in that one. This one I started before I left. I might even have an interest in finishing that up. This one got a little damage. Need to fix that up. So here is my studio. I love looking at other people's studios, so that's why I like to do this. This is my office area, which I don't have to do much in because I'm not working anymore. This painting, got a lot of art in here too. But I'm gonna try to, I don't know, try to make it less crowded. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do. I have a lot of my favorite paintings in here. Oh, good, an empty wall spot. Yep, another great reason to be back. See what I end up doing with it. Get it warmed up in here today and make it so I can start painting. Yep, nothing like a warm, cozy fire. Well, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna try to film some of my work as I paint, and hope you enjoyed this little tour here. I actually did, and I'm really looking forward to getting painting again, so hang in there and watch for my next creation.